Feeling obsessed with corrosion, water leakage in RCC structures, hairline cracks on RCC roofings? We have a solution for your worries and are introducing our product Coros Top 15 as a 3-in-1 product that is anti-corrosion, waterproofing and no hairline cracks in RCC roofings. How Coros Top 15 helps. Chemical ions present in the Coros Top 15 get attracted by the ion rebar and form a thin layer over it, protecting the ion rebar against rust and corrosion. Advantages of Coros Top 15. Prolongs the formation of corrosion in iron rebars. 100% no water seepage. No hairline cracks in RCC roofing. Overall extends building life. Coros Top 15 has been tested and approved by the Structural Engineering Department,
IIT Madras.
Areas of application. During laying concrete in building RCC foundation. During laying concrete in building RCC columns. During laying concrete in building RCC roofings. Methods of application. Directly used in the mixer machine, wherein 250 ml of Coros Top 15 to be mixed with 1 bag of 50 kg cement. In the case of RMC, ready mix concrete, Coros Top 15 to be added at the construction site at the dosage rate of 1.5 liter per meter cube of concrete and mixed well by rotating the drum for 5 to 10 minutes before pouring the concrete. Our clients.